To mark the 60th anniversary of the Queen's coronation in 2013, His Royal Highness the Prince of Wales brought together Plantlife, the Wildlife Trust and the Rare Breed Survival Trust with a clarion call to create new wildflower meadows across the UK. This is the story of how funding from Biffa Award and others, along with the passion and enthusiasm of thousands of volunteers, helped make that happen through the Coronation Meadows project. A staggering 97% of our wildflower meadows have been destroyed since the 1930s, mostly through more intensive methods of farming. And it's not just the wildflowers that have suffered. Our bees, butterflies and the other insects they support have also crashed in numbers. The Coronation Meadows project has identified a flagship wildflower-rich meadow in each county. Seed from these ancient meadows can then be harvested to create new meadows nearby, preserving the characteristic mix of species found in that area. Seed was collected from the ancient Coronation Meadows either using a brush harvester to collect seed heads or by making bales of seed-rich green hay, which were then transported to the new meadow. Here, the existing grass was cut and removed and areas of bare ground opened up into which seed could be spread. Biffa Award funding allowed us to create over 1,000 acres of new meadow in 60 counties. Bales of green hay were unrolled and spread by volunteers, or even by using muck spreaders, while brush harvested seed was typically spread by hand. Over 1,000 volunteers worked on the project. They also planted over 50,000 plug plants that had been grown from seed. The project ran training sessions and workshops for creating and managing meadows, as well as teaching volunteers skills to monitor the developing meadows over the coming years. All the landowners have agreed to look after the new meadows in a suitable way to encourage wildflowers. And expert advice was given about the best breeds of livestock to graze the meadows, typically using native British breeds. Early signs that the new meadows are exciting, with flowers like yellow rattle and cat's ear heralding a brighter future for the UK's meadows. Our 90th meadow was created in London's Green Park in 2016, the year of the Queen's 90th birthday. His Royal Highness the Prince of Wales joined project partners and volunteers to help seed this landmark Queen's Meadow. This project was funded with the help of Biffa Award as part of the Landfill Communities Fund. We would like to say a huge thank you to them and everyone that made this project possible, kick-starting a meadows revival and inspiring the next generation of meadow makers.